beta question number 6. Write the following numerals with proper commas using international system of numeration. Okay. In previous class you have learned international place value system or Indian place value system. Now which digit we have to given? Just see that 63564. Now according to international place value system, unit, tens, hundred, thousand or 10,000. Only this much of digit we have. Now see that what will be its value? Both are coming under thousand, so it will be 63,000. 63,000. This is 500. 64. It's so simple. Only one part I am doing from this question and rest of the part you will do yourself. Okay. Now see that question number 4. Write the largest number of different digits formed by using 3, 2, 4, 0, 6, 8, 7. Okay. We have to given different digits 3, 2, 4, 0, 6, 8 or 7. By using these digits, what we have to do? We have to make greatest number. We have to make greatest number. In previous class, I taught you that for making the greatest number, what we will do? We have to given digit 3, 2, 4, 0, 6, 8 and 7. Now, according to question, what we have to do? We have to make the greatest number by using these digits. I taught you in previous class that for the greatest number, what we will do? We will arrange the number in descending order. Okay? In this way, you will get the greatest number. Now, arrange them in descending order. Means first greatest number will come. First one is 8. Then second 7. Then 6. Then 4, 3, 2, 0. It will be your greatest number. Just so simple. Okay. It is your question number 7. Now just move to the question number 8. See that what is question number 8. How many 6-digit number are there in all? How many 6-digit number are there in all? For doing this kind of question, you will write first greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6 digits number. What can be greatest 6-digit number? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 or 9. It is greatest 6-digit number. Then write greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number can be 9, 9, 9, 9 or 9. And then in next step what you will do? Do subtraction. Okay. You can see that 0, 9 minus 9, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0 or 9. In this way how many 6-digit number should be there? It will be 9 lakh. How many? 9 lakh 6-digit number will be there. Okay. See that beta, we have according to the question what we have, find the greatest 6-digit number. How many 6-digit number are there in all? For solving this question, what we have done, greatest 6-digit number we have written. Then we have written greatest 5-digit number. Means uh, and then we have done their subtraction. In this way, whatever number will come after doing subtraction, that will be your answer. Now see that same question is given to you. How many 8-digit numbers are there in all? This question you will do yourself. For solving this question, what you will do? First you will write greatest 8-digit number, okay, in first step. Then in second step you will write greatest 7-digit number, okay, and then do their subtraction. You will get the answer, okay. So question number, that is 9. Question number 9 is your homework. I am writing here also. Question number 9 is your homework. Now come to the question number 10. Find the difference between the place value of 7. Okay, but before moving to the place value, I am just going to teach you how we will calculate the place value of any number. Just see here. For understanding place value, beta, just see that suppose we have any number 4, 8, 5, 3, 2, 6, 1 or 0. Okay. Then according to Indian place value system, just write unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh or crore. Okay, I told you that unit means multiplied by 1. Tens place means multiplied by 10. 100 place means whatever number will be there, it will be multiplied by 100. 1000 means that number will be multiplied by 1000. Then 10,000 will multiply by 10,000. Lakh multiplied by 1 lakh, whatever the value of number will be there. 10 lakh will be multiplied by, and then crores place will be multiplied by. In this way we can calculate the place value of any number. Now suppose in this given number I have to calculate the place value of this 3. How I will calculate? You just go through that. This number should be multiplied by 10,000. So what will be the place value of 3 here? Place value of 3 will be 3 multiplied by 10,000. It will become 30,000. See one or two more examples. Now suppose I have to calculate place value of 6. Place value of 6. It will be 6 into. See that. It will be multiplied by 100. What will be the place value of 6? 600. What we are learning now? Place value of any number. Place value of any number we are learning here. Okay. See that. I have to calculate place value of 4. Place value of 4. 4 multiplied by 1 crore. What it will become? 4 crore. In this way. Okay. So this is the process to find out the place value of any number. You have done this one also in previous classes, place value. One important thing also we have, that face value. Face value. Face value of any number means the number itself. Face value of any number means the number the number itself. For example, suppose if in the given number it is we have suppose question that find the face value of 5. Face value means always the number itself, it will be 5. Okay, and place value is different. Place value I taught here in that how we will find the place value of different number. I have shown you here. You can see that how you can find the place value, and face value always remains number itself, means nothing will be multiplied or divided, nothing. The number itself will be the face value of that number. Now we are going to solve next question, and for this you just note down, means while your introduction part you have now, you just note down this table there so that you may understand how we can find the place value of any given number and what is the definition of face value also. Okay, then we are moving to the next question.